ngasi naiharaba numisiki dagi September tarik teruk sidagi Lengmai Imphal market si hangtuhe na lokok check.
Lengmai women singo achaubo mateng pi boina si the market hangba ibig na magda ay gitrap to gisu am kheli tana thank you haina haijaninge yolaga angang moamagi imungi needs miyam se dumaina women sing ayamba dai to lawrga leibane aina private school da matamama leibakanda school fee se koi government ya tolop chaba sing de tolop lapa matam da pi adubo imai bill sing insang na pi yolaga mama gi macha sing yoli bo mayam
kuchamnara chatkani kuchamnara chatkani kuchamnara chatkani nomagri oh thamoi ki lakka sun sing lamsu I malum me aliu yu gamne naikha
Maugi sumaina nungsada karida adi khallaga phamba yaba mafam gumba karaida no khoisu theminage aduga athai chaba aduga mafam ama leragadi permanent oina or temporary oragasu nong sing lakpadasu kaisu wadana phamba yaba mafam do khoi theminage mating pangjage ono sinbiri bayam puno koi amona bot lengmai gi amade koi maitai gi aduga maroina lekai sigi club ki sing noina khara thawai yauna togi batai koi gi nongga waram thaula charu raga natragana swaida keno ma soistil yaula tholaga ari kari no koi chita hon maneta aduga maga du khara sena bi ragai ba koi nungsinaba machin mona wai mani du session anji hai ba wapun ki samjirga ai amona kolom jare thank you jai hind
ko adu hujikni ahoi ki IT road lambi si phatte hai do khoisu hanuram dai de no mati lambi si phare hai na si ta gani na thaji ahoi ki popular government so amuka form to view sir na form to view ahoi ki apaw awang bo so amuka power da na piu lakra ga mo hoi ni leadership ma kha da ahoi ki IT road chu amuka lambi su phajana tamelong lambi hujik shine to bo na khoi so IT road to su no na tadi market de ro support to yon ngai le te kri yon king ko yes aduna asisi ahoi ki sir ki sir ani ki mapangda ahoi miyam ki taraf tigi kurumjuna kurumjaraga nolokjaraga request tawjabadi and it is we pray and we bless both of you that both of you will also come back and form the popular government and lead us again, because a leader is someone who not only knows the way but they are willing to go the way and show the way also. Thank you so much.